watching AS Gaming live streaming service. Well, we have got Typhoon Hinamar in the West Pacific is peaking. It is peaking, nearly peaking. I got all of my friends here right now. All my we say hello to NHCtracker, the official gamer Gray for short, and me, and we're all gonna be doing coverage here today for the stream. And so you guys know where the hell this hurricane is. No, we just had a really trashy upstream, and I go ahead and watch that. I'm gonna change that video's name to blooper reel, because god dang, I messed up hard on that. Okay, allwaysgg is going to be modding the chat, so if you have any questions, ask him. He also will be helping me coverage as well as our new friend NHCtrackers, or Yedel, or his real name is Yedel. So yeah, so we're gonna talk about this. We currently do have. Let me load. We actually have this hurricane right here in the West Pacific. I'm still concerned about this EX right here. If you guys are seeing what I'm circling on my stream.
Oh yeah.
That EX by Honamar. I'll show you.
Yeah, they might collide, honestly.
No. Honamar's going too fast.
If that, yeah, okay. Yeah.
So I think it's heading this way. I think it's gonna loop back around and head that way. Because it wouldn't make sense for it to just suddenly turn and go straight. Also, I know why Honamar is getting really fueled up. I know why it's getting into a category 5. If you guys want to know, it's because I will show you on my temperature map.
The sea surface temperature just heat up. It's that time of year.
Oh yeah.
So
I will have the sea surface temperatures up in a minute after this thing loads.
Yeah, right now we're still looking at category 4 status.
Yeah, so basically why it is starting to change and going kind of nuts is because it's entering this warm pocket of 30 or not 35 degrees Celsius, which is 95 degrees Fair.
That's a lot. Like very hot.
Yeah, that's like around like 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's nearly 100. I would not want to swim in that. That is warm.
Yep.
Too hot.
So
that's like a bathwater.
This is definitely becoming a second version of a Super Typhoon Goni from last year. I mean, not last year, 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna really rapid. It's gonna go under rapid intensification. So, and I just wanted to say, anyone in this path of this system, they really need to figure something out, because this is not a drill or anything. Nothing to shrug about and kind of just walk off with. This
is no fish storm. It's posing a threat to this is posing a threat to China right now. So if you are in China, you are most likely going to be impacted by this in the next couple of days. We're going to make landfall as a category 5 super typhoon. If it does, you all need to evacuate. Storm surge is going to be the worst this storm. Storm surge. I don't know what the storm's actually. What is the storm surge on this storm? Yeah. What is it?
So the temperature is like right now. It's around like 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So
yeah.
It's definitely going to start going under some rapid intensification as it gets closer to these waters.
Oh boy.
So this is really something to pay attention about. So
yeah, no, if anybody's in the path of the storm, you need to evacuate your area, evacuate your island if you can. You can't risk. You cannot risk it in a storm. This storm's too deadly.
Yeah, you need to figure something out, okay? Even if it's not forecasted to go anywhere near Philippines and stuff, you still need to find a plan, just in case, because
Yeah,
forecast
so right
changed.
now
Things
its track is
changed.
actually going to go straight like that. And this
Yeah,
is why it's
more.
posing a direct risk to China and Taiwan. It's
Yeah,
gonna
so it's forecasted to become. It's gonna start going south and then just make a whole like northern like turn. But things change, so we
yeah.
could still be looking at a south from like turn in the system, and this could slam into the Philippines.
If it does slam into the Philippines, they have to evacuate. There's also another disturbance that is rapidly spinning up. 98W, gonna probably become a typhoon as well, because
Possibly.
it is heading into that zone.
Yep, 85 degrees Fahrenheit is where it is looking at right now. So this could really intensify into a possible tropical depression. Maybe a tropical storm. We'll see. So,
very big concerns with this. What are you trying to say there, NH? What are you trying to say?
It's not a joke about it's actually happening. You kill many people, you can do dangerous storm surge.
Yeah.
very dangerous storm surge.
Yeah, there is going to be massive storm surge with this thing. I'm expecting about 10 feet of it. Mostly just being like the risk of storm surge and all that.
Yeah, in the waters, we might be looking at possible 20 feet.
Yeah, all right, wait. I think I know one map that shows storm surge.
Yeah, I'm basically just making predictions.
No, I'm not really sure about this, but
yes, I'm not completely 100% sure.
Now we're gonna check out a few models. I'm not really sure how long this stream was gonna be. I don't usually know how long this stream's gonna be, but
yeah, I think Windy, the windy.com thing talks about stuff like storm surge.
Yeah, waves. It shows waves.
Yes,
this is exactly what we want.
You can really see some deep convection.
All right. Now to zoom in on the storm.
23 feet.
Look at this thing. Look at this eye.
20 feet.
It's 23 feet.
Oh my gosh.
So
that's crazy.
We're gonna show the waves now, so we can.
So we are currently looking at around 23 feet.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Yes, this is
17 feet, 23 feet. Yeah, 23 feet is our max. That's a lot of storm surge.
So just think about that on land. That will completely trash the island.
That's gonna flood everything.
Yeah. This is crazy. Yes, it would wipe out everything.
Swell 2. Let's take a look at the third swell. So on the storm, the swell 2 is at 0 feet. Okay, I don't know. The swell 2 is not helpful.
1 feet. I guess we're talking about like something similar with Fahrenheit, Celsius. Like it's a little bit of a difference.
Oh yeah.
I think that's what.
So thunderstorms associated with the storm. We're gonna take a look at this in just a minute. After my thing loads.
We're talking about 13 feet northeast in the swells. So yeah, something to.
All right, the thunderstorms associated with the system. Let's take a look at this.
We're getting a lot of thunderstorms right now.
So the thunderstorms associated with the system are heavy thunderstorms that are producing 2.1 inches of rain.
Yeah, 2.11 inches in some areas.
So really heavy rain. We're gonna actually go ahead and take a look at total rainfall amounts.
This is a lot.
In
some areas there's actually some signs of 13 inches of rain.
Rainfall. Total rainfall.
There's signs of 13 inches of rain in some areas.
Oh my god.
That's sort of like flood. Like
that's flash. Wow, the storm's gonna definitely produce some flash flooding. We can expect that.
And if you look on the weather radar, you won't see much from the
So
storm.
currently, right now, I need how much is this? Oh, guys, I found a new site. It's only for the U.S. I'm done.
U.S.
The U.S. is really
What?
experiencing some stuff. He said, look in the U.S. like the thunderstorms.
Yeah, no, this is only for the goddamn
thunderstorms.
dark.
Yeah, this is a little bit of a different stream. We are trying to make a stream about this typhoon. We might go over tornado stuff and thunderstorm stuff in the United States
At the end,
day,
we usually like to do that shit at the end.
Yes, at the end, kind of have a brief explanation on the worldwide situations. You know, so
Definitely.
Trying
Trying to
that's
get
what this
that.
team does.
Yep. Oh, total percent might be total rainfall. Oh my god, this is so hard to find.
So again, we were looking at about 2.11 inches of
Where are you
rain
seeing this on?
as max.
Which website is this?
What?
Which website are you getting the rain from?
Windy.com.
It tells that.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I never knew that. All right, wait up. We're gonna do the total rainfall. Is anybody in the chat at the moment? Only you guys. NHC. You're gonna help us do coverage. We only need one moderator for that. Anyway, how are you both doing? NHC and allwaysgg.
I'm doing fine.
You know, I actually might end up, because NHC is having so much lag, I might end up having to have him call on my phone and do what we used to do. Would that be better? Would that be better, NHC?
Yeah, would you rather do that?
Because we want to hear you. We want to hear you.
Yeah. I remember me and Odin actually had to do stuff like that a little bit more in earlier ages of the ASR gaming thing, and it was not too fun.
Nope, not at all.
Yeah, we figured something out. So yeah, if you need some time to figure something out about that, that's perfectly fine. Just take your time. Cause
I restarted my computer. Okay. I think he restarted his computer. Which is good. We just need having much lagged. All right. I'm gonna call him up on the phone. I will hopefully he'll answer, because I need him on this coverage video. Yo.
My phone is not lagging at all.
If you could charge your phone.
Huh?
If you could charge your phone.
Alright.
I got NHC on the stream with me. On the
I restarted my computer because it's having way too much lag. So
he says he restarted. If you cannot hear him, he says he's restarted the computer.
all right.
I'm turning it back on now.
No, stay on the call. It's way less laggier for my computer now.
Alright.
The phone is fine for right now, just for right now. Alright. Who is ready?
Because I think it's lagging because I was doing a live stream on the typhoon, so maybe that's why it's lagging.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe like the website.
As I was saying, this typhoon is like life-threatening. It's not a joke. It could be like 23 storm surge, right?
Yes, this is
Yeah,
not
definitely.
a huge surge. It's possible.
All right, so currently in the system we've got not that much rainfall showing up here. It's about 1 inch. 1 inch. Or I'm seeing some 3 inches here. The thing that's actually dropping rain is the disturbance over
Which is
here. It's got
actually kinda
about
interesting.
9 inches. 9 inches in total in 10 inches in total in one spot.
And it was like around a lot of rain in this area. I'm on a live stream right now looking.
Yeah, a lot of rain.
Around like 13 inches.
Yeah, so this storm is major.
Yes, really major.
If you guys have any questions about this, go ahead and put it down in the chat. I will answer them all gradually.
I've been tracking like typhoons since like 2021. I've been tracking typhoons. You know, this one could be more deadly than I thought.
Yeah, definitely.
I never thought a storm could wrap Atlantic apart quickly.
Definitely. So back to covering. We do have heavy rain. We're gonna go ahead and check out the total precipitation here for the disturbances in the Atlantic, because this storm obviously is not the only thing in the world right now.
Yes.
Typhoon. Yesterday it was just a tropical storm. And today it's now a category.
Yeah, it's a category 4 now, nearing category 5 status. So yes,
definitely. So the
crazy.
disturbance in the Atlantic is actually dropping, according to Wendy, about 2.94 inches. 3 inches, 4 inches. There's a place with about 4 inches and 27 or 4.27 inches.
Wow. Is it okay if I talk about the Atlantic a little bit, like the disturbances and?
Oh yeah, no, we're gonna be doing coverage on both.
All right. I just wanted to mention about disturbance 1. The NHC has actually upgraded it to 80% chance of formation in 5 days, and now a 50% chance in 48 hours. So, and this is actually starting to turn a little bit northeast. So,
taking a look at satellite on this thing.
And remember, this is all just according to the 5 days.
Our buddy on the phone, Yodel says that this thing is monster, and it's pretty obvious it is. This area right here that I'm Xing off is the middle of the system, which is currently rotating.
Yep, it has already been designated a invest, so definitely something to work out for if they have considered it an invest. So.
Describing a type of Bono like 2 years ago. That typhoon. That might be a
Oh yeah. Yeah, we might be getting another
satellite. I need to see satellite of this. I've been looking at satellite again. I'm gonna see how it is now. Alright, we're gonna take a look at satellite here. Oh, satellite weather map.
The satellite of Invest 91L.
Where are you looking at?
I am looking at tropical tidbits on Recon. You can actually see it's starting to organize a bit.
National Weather Service satellites are what I'm looking at, because they have infrared.
Yeah. I know tropical tidbits has infrared too. So, but if you do look closely, you can see that the stuff's starting to organize and it's starting to spin around. So,
All right, we are gonna go.
This is
Oh,
definitely forming.
91L?
yeah, we're taking a look at 91L right now.
Yes, 91L.
All right,
91L is the main
They
focus
have
of the
that
Atlantic.
extensions of formation to the next 5 days. It's been like it was like a wave in Africa, but once it got up to Africa, it started getting like more chances. It started getting like getting more proficient stuff.
Yeah. The chances have really upgraded a lot. So,
all right, 91L right here. I got it up. All right, so this thing's got about, according to HWRF, this thing's got 1007 millibars on it. Again, according to the HWRF.
1,007 millibars.
Yeah. And this thing's also got a. This thing's also got a major rotation. And what did you say? What did you want to say again? Yeah, it's going through a new phase.
Yeah, it can. Even though it like quote unquote dies off, it still has a big chance of reforming because of its area right now. Like it could be a similar situation like Hurricane Dorian from 2019.
So that's
like
the concerning thing right there. Actually, the Dorian thing that it could just replica off Dorian and
it could
I'm not saying the historic stall will happen again, but I'm saying it could turn into a major Category 5.
Like the cycle could happen too. Like the same cycle from going from the Caribbean to the Atlantic and rapidly intensification.
Definitely.
Start there. So.
All right. Now we're gonna go future track. All right. So this thing at about hour 12Z, August 29th. Yeah, you can see it's starting to get itself together. Okay. So this thing, they have this rotating madly on the HWRF. This thing has a mad rotation. This is a tropical storm actually right now. Whoa. Wait a minute. You still there? Always GG.
Yes.
I'm still here also.
Yes, NHCtracker is also here.
But who's also here?
NHCtracker. He just said it. He was also here.
Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm seeing right now. I'll share my screen with you. Always GG. I'm hoping this doesn't crash my computer.
All right.
Whoa, okay. Good sharing. All right, so are you looking at my screen here?
Yes.
I watched it like on the computer.
All right, so are you looking at my screen? Okay, I'm seeing my screen. What does this look like to you always, GG? Does this look like a depression? We got a depression?
Actually, yes. I would honestly say this is a tropical depression right now because of its way of forming right now. And its rain and stuff and its convection starting to produce is really important.
I can't tell what millibars this is, but I think
it's around tropical depression millibars is honestly around that same type of range of 1,006 millibars where it is around now. So I would say this is a tropical depression, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, it's at 108 millibars. This is, as of right now, yes, a tropical depression. 108 millibars is a tropical depression here.
Yes. But just
Just
remember,
about.
millibars is usually just the pressure of the ocean. It is in, so it
Oh,
doesn't always
there it
mean
is.
that
It's wrapping around. Now it's starting to drop in
Ooh.
millibars. Look at this thing.
rotation. And the millibars are
That's a
dropping.
big. Correct.
Yeah, it looks like 1,003 millibars.
I don't know if that's a tropical storm. If it is, then that's a weak tropical storm.
And that's still a depression. Only if it were.
Oh, and major spin.
All right, 1,000 millibars.
Oh, Jesus. Look
It
at that.
Yeah, it is peaking towards the tropical storm status already. Wow.
That's right here. I think this is a tropical storm. Honestly.
Yeah.
At hour 72, which is about September 1st.
So this may be forming overnight.
September 1st, 12Z Thursday. So it's gonna form, guys. So to give you a direct schedule when storm is gonna form, Thursday, September 1st at about 12 a.m. EDT. We should just put in.
All right. And Odin, I just wanted to
What's up?
mention. I just wanted to mention about a interesting group of cloud tops in the Caribbean. I am now seeing this. May I share my screen with you just to show you what I'm seeing?
Yeah. Go ahead.
All right. Let me just. It's gonna be really quick.
No, go ahead. It's fine.
All right. So this is what I'm seeing right now.
Okay, give it a minute. It's loading for me.
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me take a look at the pressures.
Zoom in.
Okay, so 1,011 millibars. So.
All right.
15 miles per hour east. So.
I think that's the disturbance that they marked off in the Caribbean. That's just the disturbance you're seeing.
I guess.
It looks weak on it.
I mean
It doesn't look like it's majorly rotating.
Because like literally everything's just kind of mixed around. Like you can see all of this is just going one direction. Usually if it were to be something to rotate, it would obviously rotate. It would be going in a circle, you know. So
Yeah. All right, guys. Again, I just wanted to say, if you experience any lag in this video, that is not my fault. That is my live streaming service's fault, and you should not take that lag very seriously. It's not your computer, it's my computer. It's my streaming service. Okay, I don't have any other better streaming service. Please do not ask me about that. That's how it is going to be. Alright, back to sharing my screen with I am no longer sharing my screen for some reason. Resume. Alright, you see my screen again, always GG.
yes.
Alright.
I mean, this is like this is the first time I experienced acquired August in Atlantic. You see my screen again? Yes, in other hurricane season, I started August, which has like a lot of storms, but this one, which is a with higher August.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think hurricane season, that doesn't mean this season will be quiet. It will still be active September.
Yes. Just because it is quiet now won't mean that it won't be active.
It ain't going, and it's not really quiet with this possible impending tropical storm on our hands.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna get real.
Yep. All right, now looking at September 1st at about 15, still Thursday. This thing's kind of starting to, we're kind of starting to see an eye here, but at the same time, we're also starting to see a little bit of rotation, or a little bit of weakening. If you can't see my screen, always GG. It's definitely picked up in the Z's or in the pressure. It's 1,002 millibars now. So it went from 1,000 to 2,000.
So that means it has weakened a little bit. It's like, but again, these are just like pressures are just the ocean waters that it's in. It won't really take effect in the storm's strength unless it was a major difference. And that was only like a 2 millibar upgrade, so that only means it could have slightly weakened, but that's mostly just its area right now. So.
Definitely. All right. Looking at hour 18. Or not hour 18. The time at 18Z Thursday, we can start to see rotation again with the system. Only a very minor rotation though.
Yeah.
All right. Skipping ahead.
It could get better. It could get stronger until even to a hurricane.
Skipping ahead.
Yeah, it could become a hurricane.
Did someone just join our call?
No.
Oh, we have 10 more minutes left on the call.
Oh no.
That's a major on. Oh my god, that's rapid intensification. That's like 2 days after the beginning of a storm.
Yes, rapid intensification there.
Yeah. All right. End the call and restart it. Or actually end it. Just rejoin.
All right.
Okay, just give us a minute. We're gonna get the call back. Well, oh my god, I'm not sharing my screen anymore. Give me a second.
Could see a rapid intensification for 91L. We could see that. Oh my god, I'm not sharing my screen anymore. I swear to God, I hope this will not be going into oh, I don't want to see Dorian ever again. We could see that.
Alright, I'm gonna load into the ASR chat.
I mean, I tried Dorian. It was not good. It was actually really bad.
Alright, I'm gonna load into the ASR chat.
Oh, it was actually really bad.
I'm loading in 1 second.
You hear me?
Yeah. I'm just trying to get on a call with my with always GG.
91L, or we could see a rapid intensification in
Alright. While I get my call back up, my friend on the phone right now is gonna tell you guys a little bit about the typhoon in the West Pacific.
Yo, I saw that epic face reveal.
What?
I saw that epic face reveal.
Oh, shut up. That was a short time. Alright, well, we're back. Alright,
Patient Pete.
Tidbits.
Not enough memory to run this.
What does it say?
Nothing, it's telling me to close out tabs because I'm out of memory.
That might be the problem with the call then.
I don't know. Let me just close this out, I guess.
Okay. All right, we're gonna take a look at 1L again. Let us go ahead and take a look at a different version of it because that one, the HAFS. How about that one?
Sure.
GS one, right? Let's see.
This one has it as a disturbance right now. This product's apparently. Wait, this is a product of NOAA, the National Weather Service. Okay. Guys, this model is from the National Weather Service. This is the one we can all trust. Because we all trust the National Weather Service. Okay, allwaysgg, are you still there?
Yes.
Okay, taking a look at our so this takes place on Thursday, August 30th. Now skipping ahead to about Tuesday. Oh, well, too ahead. Skipping ahead to Tuesday, you can still see some slight spin in this right around this hour, and then skipping. We're gonna skip all the way till it turns into a hurricane. Oh wow! Look, they expect this thing to weaken.
Wow.
Oh, look at that!
Oh,
There
I
it is.
think it's
There it is.
what?
The storm. There it is. There's the tropical storm, guys. So right around Thursday, September 1st, this is when things are scheduled to start going down. So we have it as right now a low-end tropical storm. So honestly, right now we could just say this is Danielle coming right now. Danielle is coming.
We haven't had Danielle since I called it 4 in July.
Let's go, Danielle.
And the right Danielle, it's gonna get real.
It is definitely about to get real.
Yes, this is getting real.
Alright, skipping to hour 69. We've got a 999. Okay, this is a low-end hurricane at this point with about 999 millibars. And look at that. That's an eye trying to get itself together there.
Yep.
All right, guys, we've got our first signs of Hurricane Danielle here.
Yep, Danielle, Hurricane Danielle. And this should be the first hurricane in the Atlantic.
Yep, first hurricane in the Atlantic.
Let's go. First hurricane Atlantic, baby.
Skipping to hour 72.
By the way,
It
we track them storms.
It weakened substantially. Now it's down to 1,000 millibars. Up, weakening again. Okay, it's battling at this point in time. It's battling against wind shear. Oh, there it is. There it is.
It could possibly go through an eyewall replacement cycle.
There it is. Right. Look at this.
Oh yes.
Look at that rotation, bro.
That's major.
Oh,
That's a hurricane right there.
Alright, that's just a low-end hurricane.
Then you could be like the first hurricane in Atlantic and the first major hurricane in Atlantic.
I mean, possibly.
It's gonna be both first hurricane and first major hurricane in Atlantic.
If we ever see pressure go down to like 950 millibars, that's when we will start seeing a major hurricane.
I'm trying to share my screen here. Hold up.
I can see your screen.
Okay. Good. I got my screen up here. So you guys should be able to see my screen. That is a hurricane right here. So this is not a this is not a category 2. This is right now a 997 hurricane. 1 second, I'll be right back.
Subscribe to Gray. Subscribe to allwaysgg.
Stop promoting.
Wait a second. Wait, 30 knots? What is that?
So it is.
Oh, 30
It is
knots.
fighting the dust I guess that.
So guys, this at the moment, Noah's saying this as a 997 millibars hurricane for September 2nd. It is supposed to turn into a hurricane.
All right.
And the snow doesn't do it.
I think we should consider investigating one L as a tropical depression at this point because it has 34 miles per hour.
Okay, guys, we're gonna diagnose this as a tropical depression. Okay, guys, this is the storm tracking. The storm track team has it out. This is the storm track team's analysis, and we're right now putting it at a tropical depression.
Nice voice crack.
Oh my god. Shut up, bro.
Those are bloopers. Those are bloopers.
Okay. Looking in. Okay, September 3rd. At this point, this is weakening once again. Another weakening tropical cyclone.
Another weakening.
It's weakening again. So at the moment, NOAA, the National Weather Service, is saying the storm's basically going to be trash. Looking again, it's weak. It's strengthened again. Strengthening. Whoa, major strengthen. At the end of the run, this turns into a Category 2 hurricane. Look at that.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Are you still there?
Yes.
Big, big eye. That's a big eye right there. Big eye.
That is a ginormous. That's not an eye. This is just a weak tropical cyclone at this point. I don't know if it's a hurricane or if it's a tropical storm. But that's what the National Weather Service is saying about the storm. All right, it's time to take a look at the GFS. They're gonna be so wrong about this. GFS, guys. The GFS already has this at 990. Okay, that's cap. My PC crashed. Okay, once IG's PC crashing. Oh my god.
If it makes landfall, we're gonna go. If it makes landfall, we're gonna go land on it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a major hurricane or like a weak tropical cyclone.
Mhm.
I mean, we have dangerous calling. And finally have to figure. We're gonna have in a few days.
Yeah.
I mean, 91L is fighting the dust and it's still alive. It's fighting the dust. It fought up the dust.
Definitely.
Sheer as well.
Mhm. Are you back?
Yeah. Like my web browser completely just crashed.
Why web browser's out?
I don't know. I think it's because I had too much tabs or something.
All right. So we're looking at the GFS model run for this. The GFS is going to be wrong, so do not trust the GFS.
Well, maybe for once GFS can be.
According to the GFS, right now, the storm has about 1,008 millibars.
Okay, so they're not too bad with it.
Not too bad.
That's today.
And then, looking in the future of this, 197, 198. Okay, a little bit of strengthening. You can see the rotation. You can start to see the rotation.
And you can also start noticing a lot of rain.
Yeah.
Right away.
Oh, what? Whoa.
1,000 millibars.
All right, this is the first time we actually hit tropical depression status, apparently, according to the GFS.
20 inches of rain.
Yeah.
Around that area.
So now going more in the future. Well, there it is. GFS already has it strengthening to a freaking Category 1 hurricane.
Alright, GFS.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, no!
Massive!
No, GFS!
This is
No,
freaking
GFS.
out.
No. Oh my god. 979
Look at that thing.
millibars. No.
That ain't
Okay,
gonna
no.
happen.
That is one big
GFS,
Daniel.
no.
Big Daniel.
One big Daniel right there.
That is a high-end Category 2 hurricane. Maybe like a low-end Category 3 hurricane. There's no way that's happening.
Okay, GFS is freaking out.
Okay, GFS,
Okay,
you are...
according to GFS, September 4th, 2022.
Apparently,
September 4th,
oh my
September
god.
4th, 2022, Sunday. It is going to form into a low-end Category 1 or Category 3 hurricane. Do not trust
that's not happening.
do not trust the GFS.
Do not trust GFS. GFS is literally just...
The GFS is trash.
I know.
They're always wrong. They're always wrong.
Okay,
I know.
okay, skipping ahead into the future. Oh, it's weakening. Oh, it's strengthening. It's strengthening so much. This is a Category 4 storm, according to GFS.
No, that's nearly a Category 5 strength.
Oh my god. Guys,
Okay,
the GFS is going to have...
GFS is getting ridiculous. I bet they're going to start saying 200 miles per hour with an 867 millibars.
Look at this thing.
Oh my
Look at this eye right here.
Look at that eye.
That is a ginormous Daniel.
Yeah, that is not happening.
One big Daniel right there.
Yep.
Look, if you're watching this right now, I promise you, that is not happening.
That
okay?
is not happening.
No, it happened.
Like-
GFS is just
Like,
trash.
that's right away. Like, it's still, like, in the Caribbean. And,
Looking more into the future. Whoa.
like, they're saying, like it's barely moved in its model. It's already saying
GFS is trash.
around
Nothing
Category
happened.
5
It's
strength.
trash.
Looking more into the future.
GFS is trash.
Looking more
GFS
into the
is trash.
future. Oh my god! Look at that! Look at that!
900! Not less than 920?
Oh my god.
Yep, it says 954.
Okay. You know what?
954. That's a
I'm out.
Category
I'm out.
5. That's a
I'm
Category
out.
5.
I'm out.
GFS is a Category 5.
Oh my god. Why is GFS
I
doing
am-
this?
I'm so embarrassed right now. I'm starting to get
Why do you
upset
want
with
why
GFS.
do you want to go into 2.0?
Category 5 hurricane
That
is
is a
happening.
Category 5 hurricane right there.
GFS, you are out of your mind. I think GFS is drunk, guys.
The
I think
GFS is
GFS is
drunk.
drunk. I think GFS has been drinking too much tequila lately and some alcohol.
Alright,
lately.
let's not get myself demonetized, please.
You won't get demonetized.
I get 54 millibars.
Alright, looking into the future. Okay. Here's where we can see strength weakening. Oh no! Oh, strengthening, I mean. Oh, Jesus.
Okay.
What is this storm?
It keeps strengthening. It keeps.
This is a
It said
superstorm. This is a
said
hypercane.
It said 905
Wait,
millibars
it's not
one
such
time.
a hurricane though.
This is a hypercane. There's
Hypercane.
no going to be such thing as a hypercane. A
I mean,
Category
it could.
6.
No, it could. Wait, no. It could happen. It could happen in the future, like future.
Okay, honestly, this is not going to happen.
Yeah, this is not gonna happen.
At the end of the
924
run,
millibars
it
is
turns
not
into a goddamn
happening.
hypercane.
Okay, yeah. If this happens, it's the end of the world.
Alright, I'm looking at
924
more models.
millibars. That is a Category 5 hurricane.
Alright, we're gonna see what more models are saying about this invest.
All right. Hopefully these models like CMCs. I hope they just say that this is
Yeah.
okay.
If this happens,
There's
oh my
some
god,
cool stuff.
this is not gonna happen. I swear to God, if it does.
Let me. Let's see.
Are you watching my
Why you
screen?
want doing 2.0? That's not cool. We're doing
Alright.
that.
Right now, the CMC has it at 1,008 millibars. Are you still there?
Yeah.
Alright, is everybody still here right now?
Yep.
Okay. All right, more into the future. Let's go more into the future with the sea. More into the future. More. Probably till it gets to a tropical storm.
This is not gonna happen. Just GS just dropped.
This is not the GFS. This is the CMC.
This is CMC.
I just saying about the GS one. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, the GFS is crazy. GFS
Okay,
is
so this
crazy.
hurricane. Right here. You can see the rotation. Look at that.
Right, interesting.
Look at that thing. Then we got about 998 millibars. Oh, what you watching?
Huh?
What you doing always, GG?
It's a notification.
Oh.
A video.
Oh, it strengthens a
Okay,
little bit.
CMC,
Oh, it's
CMC's out of
strengthening.
their mind.
It's strengthening
Okay, now-
majorly.
Okay,
Look
guys,
at that.
do not trust CMC either.
That's strengthen it.
Nope. I kind of trust this one
How?
because they're showing it as a tropical. They're already showing. They're showing this in the future directly when it's supposed to form.
Yeah.
Like next week, they're saying it's supposed to form next week. It's forming next week and into a hurricane.
Yeah, I honestly don't trust it.
How can we even not? How can we not trust this?
I don't know. I just feel like it's just way behind like possible at that time. Like, and it's like area and stuff. I don't really think it's happening.
Well, where's the area then? It is in.
Because it's in the. Isn't that like in the Caribbean?
Nope. This ain't in the
Where is that?
Caribbean.
So where is it?
This is in the Atlantic, you dork.
In the North Atlantic?
Yeah.
That's not happening.
Not in the North Atlantic. The
You said
actual
North
Atlantic. This is
Atlantic.
heading towards the Florida coast. All right, it's strengthening a little bit, strengthening majorly
Okay,
up, and there it
I
is, major Category 5 hurricane.
I'm sorry. I don't trust it. I don't.
Major hurricane. Starting not to trust. Nope, this one's wrong. This one's wrong.
952 millibars. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Nope. All right. Tropical Tidbits is broken. Tropical Tidbits is broken.
Why they acting like GS now, bro?
Hush and pee for life.
What?
They acting like GS now. They acting like things like this still has to be really bad. It's not gonna happen. We just gonna see how it's gonna be.
All right.
I don't trust any.
More satellite imagery on 91W. Satellite imagery on 91W, guys.
I feel like we should start kind of paying attention to this.
Oh, look at that!
Timber.
Look at that convection. It's blowing up.
That's a vision, man.
Right here's suspected at its center.
Look at that vision. It's getting to vision as you can speak, you know?
Look at this. It already went through its phase, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. It's getting that letting of vision as you speak.
Oh my god, that's a lot. Are you seeing this on my screen right now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hush and pee for life.
If you could stop playing that whatever it said. It's interrupting the stream. Hurricane recon time. Hurricane reconnaissance. Okay.
This season is gonna get very busy as September. October as well.
Yep, definitely.
Tornado warning for Slidell,
It's gonna be a
Louisiana.
lot of tracking. It's gonna be a lot of tracking for these tropics.
Whoa, what?
It's gonna be a lot of tracking.
I think I just heard something say tornado warning.
Like
Tornado warning for Slidell, Louisiana.
a lot of
Really?
No, there's no.
Really?
Uh,
There's no, there's not a tornado. No.
no, there's no tornado warning.
Why is it saying there's a tornado warning? I mean, there's clouds outside, but I don't.
Guys, we have a tornado warning in
I don't think there's a warning in Slidell.
We've got a tornado warning for New York, NY.
Greetings from TornadoHQ.com.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located.
Good morning, USA.
Oh, this is not good, bro. This is not good. I'm fighting New York. You know that. I'm fighting New York.
Oh my god. Moving at 40 miles per hour. Alright, guys, so we're going to be covering severe weather, I guess, now because of this tornado warning.
Good morning, USA.
Zooming in nice. I can't see. Alright, we're on the radar here. Let me get up. No,
Look at that. Look at that.
Morning, USA.
Please stop. No, oh my god. Just deleted literally everything on my. Alright, now I need NOAA radar. NOAA. Oh my god. NOAA radar. There we are. We're gonna access NOAA weather radar and see if we got. Because this is a Doppler radar, we can see if it has a tornado on the ground. Are you still here, always, GG?
We have like category 5, it's like Dorian, you know?
Yeah.
So that's supposed to be category 5. Yeah.
Alright, let's take a look and see if we have a confirmed tornado.
Let's go see it.
I want to see that. Oh, so I can see a hook right over here. Where this tornado warning is, yep. I can see the rotation. Right there.
Look at that.
That is a tornado. Oh, so that's not where it is. That's not where it is. I got it wrong. I got that current location wrong. Always GG, still there? Pretty sure he is.
They don't want it. Please need on it, bro. Please need on it, bro.
I can see what they think is going to be rotation. I can see it. I think I kind of see rotation.
Location?
Rotation. So yeah. Alright guys, well I think that's where I'm gonna end the stream because it's getting a little laggy for me and I've been running for about 58 minutes, so I think that's enough. Thanks for watching. If you live in those areas affected by the take shelter and cautionary preparedness actions. And that is it. Peace from the ASR storm tracking team. Goodbye from the